How to budget your money using the 50-30-20 rule. If you struggle to manage your money or feel like your income disappears too fast, then this video is for you. Today, you'll learn how to budget your money using the simple 50-30-20 rule, one of the easiest budgeting methods for beginners. Let's get started. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a budgeting method that divides your income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. It helps you control your spending, build discipline, and manage your money with ease. Category 1, 50% needs. The first 50% of your income goes to needs, things you must pay for to survive or function daily. This includes rent or housing, food and groceries, transportation, basic utilities, minimum loan payments, insurance. If this category is too high, try cutting unnecessary expenses or finding cheaper alternatives. Category 2, 30% wants. The next 30% goes to wants, things that make life enjoyable but are not necessities. Examples include eating out, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions, travel, upgrading your devices. Wants are where most people overspend, so track this carefully. Category 3, 20% savings and debt repayment. The last 20% goes to savings and future goals. This includes emergency fund, investments, extra loan payments, savings for big goals like starting a business, buying a car, or a home. This category builds financial security and long-term wealth. How to apply the rule to your income. Let's say you earn $1,000 a month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, $500 goes to needs, $300 goes to wants, $200 goes to savings. You can apply the same percentage to any income, weekly, monthly, or freelance earnings. Tips to succeed with this budget. Here are simple tips to make the 50-30-20 rule work for you. 1. Track your expenses daily. 2. Automate your savings. 3. Avoid impulse spending. 4. Review your budget every month. 5. Adjust the percentages if needed. The rule is flexible. Budgeting doesn't have to be hard. With the 50-30-20 rule, you can control your money, reduce stress, and start building real financial freedom. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to big results. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more financial education videos.